Right now we don't have internet in our house, but a while ago they built a cell tower. But the problem is it's about 10 kilometers in this direction, and our house is on the other side of the mountain, down there. So up here there's still a weak signal, but down there on our house is totally no connection. So our plan is to build a tower. Buy some material to build a tower for an antenna, a pole. So we got the 6 meters, 6 meter pole, 20 feet. Then we got a parabolic antenna. This can get a signal from 10 to 20 kilometers, at least that's what they said. And then we have a router 4G plus, so we can just insert a SIM card inside of the router. And then we have a steel cable and some other materials to install the pole. And the plan is to make a foundation here. We make a foundation here in the middle and then 3 more, and then we make a steel cable. We put the pole in the middle and then we set the steel cable on 3 places to make the pole stronger so that it would not shake in the wind. Yeah, and then buy 60 meters of cable so that we can get electricity from our house there up until here. Yeah, and then we should be able to get a signal to the parabolic antenna, and then the parabolic antenna will be connected to the router, and then the router will make another signal that we can get in our house. I don't know if the signal from the Wi-Fi router would be strong enough. Our house is about 50 meters from the border up here. But yeah, we will just see if the connection is strong enough, and if not, if the connection is not strong enough, I will buy just an access point, like a Wi-Fi extender, to extend the signal. We are done with the foundations. We put a chain in the middle of that so that we have a point where we can connect the steel wire, and we have 3 pieces of that. And then in the middle we make a hole, a small but deep hole, and that's the position where we're going to put the pole, and then we can use these 3 steel wires to make the pole straight. So it's another day. The concrete is dry and we built a small roof, and this is the pole. Put also concrete. We put it in a concrete, and then we have a small box here, a small steel box that we can lock with a lock, and then we put a modem here. That is our 4G plus modem. We put a SIM card inside of that so that we can get a mobile data. And then we connected the parabolic antenna on 2 cables, and then install the antenna to the pole. And we pointed the antenna directly to the tower, so we have a very good signal. And yeah, the concrete is also dry. That's how we connect the steel cable. Yeah. That's a chain that's inside the concrete, and we use one of these tools to make it tight, and then we have a 5mm steel cable, and we have 3 pieces of that, so it's very strong. It's not shaking even when there's a strong wind. So yeah, we have a very good signal now. before the signal was about 1 or 2 megabit downstream when we just install only the modem up here. So yeah, we had a small signal here even without the parabolic antenna, but with the parabolic antenna we have now up to 20 or even more megabit per second. So yeah, that's it's not too fast, but it's a decent amount. That's more than we need. And the upstream is about 1 megabit. It don't really change, so the upload is very slow, but yeah, still fine. That's more than what we need. Yeah, it's I will show you a screenshot right now for the data of the signal and also the speed. And yeah, we buy a 100-meter cable, connect it from there to this tree, and then from this tree to our house. And I install also a steel cable so that the weight of the cable, weight of the electric wire is also held by the steel cable. So we have finally a good internet now, so we can upload the videos directly from our home, and we can watch some Netflix sometimes. So that's it for this short little video. Leave a like and a comment if you want, or subscribe to this channel if you haven't done it yet, and then I see you in the next video.